Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to update you about our kubo. Ang ating pinapatayong bahay. Samahan niyo ako at puntahan natin ngayon kung ano na ang progress. Dahil nag-start sila noong August 9. Tingnan natin at tinatry nilang matapos sa December. Pero yung ano talaga namin is January, no? Pero itatry nila kung matatapos ng December para makalipat. On the meantime, nandito muna kami sa aming inupahang bahay dito sa Henderson. At hopefully by December tayo makakalipat na doon sa Lake Las Vegas. Kaya samahan niyo ako guys at ating bistahin at puntahan natin kung ano na ang progress ng ating pinapagawa na bahay kubo. Ayan. Tara, samahan niyo na ako.
May pakido-kido kapagkat pipig sa ning mga sikit, labyog sa ning mga kamot, labi na kung tsadyan tukat, kita'y kagat. Mapay na sumayaw, kayo ba'y sa ning lawas, labi ko na kalibo, may pakido kapagkat pitig sa rin mga sikit, labyog sa rin mga kapot, labi na kung tsadyan tukat, kita'y hinikagat. Hayaon pa lumilili, mayaon pa uroy-uroy, ngayon pa liya-liyan, patuwa-tuwa, halapi kalibirahi tiyat-sahi, kay bangin sa buwas, warang nagod-hini, salin-salin na mo't ibagorin siki, isang pamahibasig tulong sinsini, halapi kalibirahi tiyat-sahi, ikin puting bubot nga tuda-tudahi, kay basi ganahanan, maris mo pirmi, sumayo siyempre. Ahay!
Yeah. You can walk?
I wouldn't walk on the concrete.
Huh?
I wouldn't walk on the concrete.
O, ayan, maliit lang. Ayan yung view lang. Oh. So, hindi naman masyadong malayo yung view.
Pero makita lahat ng overview.
Let's go see the overview.
Mainit.
May umbrella. Yeah, that's true. It mainit.
Ayan. Ito, maliit lang. Ayan, kapitbahay na namin yan.
Like there's your car right there. Just this little area. Don't look
Yeah.
that big to me when it's a foundation. It looks bigger when it's built.
Yeah,
For me.
true.
Way bigger than this.
You think the sun's going to go this way, huh?
Yeah, this one.
See, it's good. We got smaller houses.
Ayan yung view niya. Ayan na yung view.
Nice view.
Yeah.
And they said that we got the smaller houses in front of us that are shorter, so we got a better view.
Yeah. That's good though.
These are taller over here, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going to happen over there once those are built.
Yeah, once that's all filled in, all that
Yeah.
dirt,
Yeah.
we can
Hopefully
still
it's not
see
that.
lake
you'll
over
always be able to see this.
Yeah.
That's good. It's nice view.
there. These, but they're flush. Beautiful.
It is an average comes to the house.
Damn, so beautiful. That's not. My mom didn't get that. We'll probably shoot fire and get some.
Danny, did they already started to... Jenny, they already started at mom's
No,
house?
they said anytime though, they should be starting.
Ayan po yung ano. Ito naman yung sa binan ko na pinapatayuan niya. Pero ang liit lang, no? Ang liit. Parang ang liit niya, pero malaki. Medyo okay lang. Tama-tama lang kasi mag-isa lang naman siya. So, hindi pa sila actually nag-start. Kung nakita nyo, mayroon, nagtik na sila ng konti. So, hopefully soon, mag-start na rin sila para magsabay lang. Pero I don't think makakasabay yung bahay niya sa amin. Dahil hindi pa sila nag-start. Eto naman, sa street namin, pangalawang street kami eh. So, ito yung view niya pababa. Nakikita nyo. Ito rin yung magiging view ng likod namin. Yung Lake Las Piñas. Ayan guys, so, yan lang muna ang ating update sa ngayon. At least mayroon ka nang makikita, di ba? Ayan, may bago na naman silang update. Kaya abangan ang ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat po!